Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a group in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, click on the contacts icon on the bottom of your screen. After you do so, you can go ahead and select any contacts. And after you select it, you can see the create group option. Go ahead and click on create group. After click on create group, you can select the number of people you want to add in a group. You can also search using the name, phone or email and click on the tick mark. After you're done, you can go ahead and write down the group name. Then you can see the photo icon. You can also add a profile picture for your own group. You can either take a photo or choose a photo. So go ahead and select the photo which you want. After you have selected it, you can see that this must be in a format. So if it is not in a format, you can just go ahead and select any photo, click on crop and click on tick mark after you're done. Now as you can see that this group has been created. If you want to share this group with others, you can do that as well. You just need to go ahead and go to the group, go to the contact info and you can see the add members option. Go ahead and click on the add members option and you can add your favorite people over here and click on the tick mark and they will easily be added to your group. So guys, I hope this video about how you can add your friends and your colleagues to a group in Zangi Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.